Hello, my name is Courtney, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer to that is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And the only hesitation they have to hiring someone for help is they don't really know who's an expert and who isn't. I found giving people a free attack plan now has helped of actual things they can do to impact their business. And it's resulted in some of them still asking for help. So if you see this video and see I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message, we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you are simply wanting to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. First thing I would like to go over is I like the layout of your website. You need at least 1,500 words to be optimized on Google, to be optimized with Google. And you have about 400 words of content on your front page. Now, if we hop over here to your competitors, we can see they have somewhat of a similar layout, and they have about 1,000 or 1,100 words of content on their front page. Now, content isn't really the only thing that gets us ranked, though. Having more words of content can be more helpful to slide in keywords, but keywords or phrases people search for have an impact as well. So if we hop over here to Ahrefs is a website that shows how Google is ranking each website. We can see here your website has about 1,600 organic keywords. If we click this, we can see that these are your top 5 keywords. And we can see here, you guys are getting a lot of traffic from these too. But you can definitely increase that and improve that. And over here, we can see your competitors have 10,000 words, keywords. And if we click on theirs, we can see they have these top 5 keywords. Now, the second thing I would like to go over is backlinks. Now, all backlinks are links between websites. And they work pretty similar to like site A is pointing to site B. So if site A has more traffic that is providing that traffic to site B and is more relative to site B, it tends to be more effective. We can see here you have 16,400 backlinks, which is pretty good. And if we hop over to your competitors, we can see you actually have more backlinks than they do. So it is to wonder, are the backlinks that you have stronger and relative compared to your competitors? Because even with the backlinks, we can see that they are getting at least 3,000 more traffic than you. 3,000 more clicks than you, sorry. But that's still very beatable. The next thing, the third thing I would like to go over is the Google Map Pack, or the maps. And as you can see here, it shows the business name, the address, number, it even gives reviews and the website. This is a very good place to have your website in the top 3, because this map pack gets about 35% of the clicks for everything searched into Google. And as we can see, your website isn't up here. You're missing out on a lot of business by not being in the top 3 here. Now, in order to rank in maps, we will need to increase the citations that are submitted word for word into directories, such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. Yeah, that's about it. Once again, we went over your front page. Needs at least 1,500 words of content. With citations, you want to have at least 200 to 300 of them to beat out the competition by a landslide. And with the links, you want more relevant links pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can email me back. Once again, my name is Courtney and my email is courtney@haydenseo.com. I look forward to hearing from you. All feedback is welcomed and encouraged. Have a great one.